Nobody wants to talk about UDA because Ruto has let the country down. I have never seen a person who will cheat you looking at you in the eye. Anakuambia uongo asubuhi saa 6 na jioni ni uongo. You cannot govern a country by bribing leaders because that's what he does. Things are going wrong. We are all seeing, we can all see. You have started your campaign and you are telling us not to campaign. Yet we can see you campaigning all through. So, our leaders, we are behind you. Repeat the 202 exercise. Put this country together. We will all follow what you tell us. We can, kama ungeniambia haupigi Ruto tungepigana. Because I thought all those things he said were true, but sometimes also we didn't think properly. It looks like, because you don't ride on a wheelbarrow and expect to go far. Tuliwacha afikira mbali, tukafuata mtu anatuahidi mambo mengi. I don't know what was wrong with us. Bottom up, bottom up, bottom tunasema up, bottom up. Sasa we cannot see that one. And I once asked him, Your Excellency, you have given so much hope to the youth of this country. And because I can visualize, what plan do you have for them? Kaniambia, we wacha how tutawapanga. Sasa tutawapanga. So ametupanga, anapanga, but this time round, behind you, we refuse to be backward, tuwaachilie mpange nchi hii, because that is what we need. Na wheelbarrow hakuna mahali inaweza kutupeleka. It can't. Hata DOA, I don't know. Something. Thank you very much. I congratulate you and the resilience. I've walked with you the journey. PLP, asanteni sana.
Basi viongozi wetu wanapoendelea tutazingatia masaa, kwa wageni ni wengi na waheshimiwa bado ni wengi. Tuangalie masaa tafadhali.
Asante sana. Now, all of us in front here, we want to do one wave so that we can tell Kenya that we are united